welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tati here, and I'm back at it again with another video for you. Today we'll be continuing in our 4 very affordable wig series for February. So if you guys watched my previous video, you saw that I started doing 4 wigs from 4 different categories. Very cheap Amazon wigs that you can style and make it your own, and it'll look flawless, and you don't have to spend a ton of your money, right? So we started out with the long wig. From the 4 categories, we had long, short, colored, and then the curly. So we did the long, which you saw right here. I have her right here, braided up and everything, and she can still be worn again if that's what you choose to do, or you can cut her, restyle her. She got it. And now we're doing the short wig. So as you can see by my latest install, I got it, and it was just, I'm not gonna tell y'all the price of this one until you reach the end of the video, and I'm gonna just slap it on the screen. You're gonna be like, oh my god, because tell me this don't look like good. So today we did something a little bit different for this video. So in the previous video, you saw that I installed it myself. I tried to, because for the girls who don't just want to spend the money on the wig, they don't want to spend the hefty price on the install, I decided to do a video where showing you that you can buy the wig yourself, and if you have the time and you think you have the skill, you can install it yourself and make it look presentable, which I think I did a fairly good job. So for this wig though, I decided, yeah, you guys, we don't want to be feeling some type of way or thinking, what hairstylist is gonna know what to do with a synthetic wig, or know how to install a synthetic wig, or know how to care for a synthetic wig. If you guys are in the Panama City Beach, Florida area, and you got a location, you got an event, Blessed by Yana is the hairstylist to meet, because she will slay your hair, whether it be braids, whether it be install. For the men, she got you with the cornrows. Like she did it. She is my personal hairstylist. She's one of the best, if not the best, with the best. This is where I'm putting the absolute certainty in that part. The best prices in Panama City Beach. She is very affordable. She will work with you. She will cater to the hair that you bring to her. No matter what its state is, she will install it and make it work and look brand new. So this wig, I gave it to her the day before I went in for her to do it, and she washed it, plucked it for me, because you know when you say you get wigs and they say they're pre-plucked. She plucked it for me. She told me a little tip on how to actually wash synthetic hair. You don't use deep conditioner, you use fabric softener, something I didn't know. She really caters to her clients. So this wig she installed herself, and you're going to be seeing the process of how she did it. And please watch the video, or watch most of it if you can't watch the whole thing, to see. I made sure it was like as compact as possible, so you got all the snippets of what she did to make it look how it looks right now. And please watch the end and look at her work, and look at she has a sale going on for people who got a boo for Valentine's. Don't talk about me, but who got a boo for Valentine's Day. She got a sale going on. Please go check that out. And I'm gonna be putting her Instagram information throughout the video and in the description box below. So please go follow her, show her some love, and you will see she does locks, she does braids, she does knotless braids, she does wigs, she does men hair. Like, she will hold you down. Because tell me, this wig had no baby hairs. The front looked kind of, and the ends, don't even get me started on the ends. The ends were cut so blunt, so sharp, it just already looks synthetic out the bag. But this is the packaging that it came in. Came with stocking caps, a pack of stocking caps, as every wig should. It came with a little pamphlet on how to treat the wig. So again, you can make it last. And I think, even though I'm only wearing this wig for a week, I think it literally could be worn for the duration of how you would wear a natural human hair wig, because it's not that long where it's gonna tangle that much. Yeah, it'll shed, but you can literally like just brush it out because it's kind of dense. It's not thin, so if it sheds a lot, like you're not gonna be like, oh my god, I'm losing so much hair, it's gonna look ridiculous by the time it finishes shedding. It sheds, I'm not gonna lie, it does shed, but it still has body. And stiff wear, she didn't, yeah, she washed it, but even before she washed it, she was still saying it was moving. It was moving. It's not stiff. It's not stiffing up on you, because me, I can't care wigs. I sleep horrible. My bonnet is all the way on the floor by the time I wake up, and it's still body, right? So yeah, guys, if you want to get this wig and you want to see how it's installed and know that a hairstylist can install this wig, go check it out. Check this video out, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.